Everyone, it's time to read.
Oh, you're here na, right?
Basahin ang maikling kwento at sagutin ang mga tanong. Gulay.
What's the title of the story?
It's about many vegetables. In Tagalog is gulay.
Very good. Galing nga. Go. You read na.
Si Gardo ay tanim ng iba't ibang gulay sa tabi ng kanyang bahay.
Very good. If there's a period, you stop.
Ang inahing gulay ang kanyang kinakain, kaya naman hindi siya nagkakasakit.
Very good. Question number 1.
Sino ang nagtanim ng gulay?
Oh, anong name nung nagtanim ng gulay? Sino daw? You write.
Si Gardo.
Very good. If it's a name, Gardo, is it a name or not?
It's a name
Oh,
po.
is it a big letter or a small letter?
Big po.
Very good. Big letter.
Gardo.
Very good.
Oh, it almost looks like letter B.
Yes.
Fix it. Si Gardo.
Very good. Number 2 question. You read louder.
Bakit hindi nagkakasakit si Gardo?
Oh, bakit ba? Ba't hindi siya nagkakasakit?
Kumakain siya ng gulay.
Ang galing ah. Ang galing naman ng baby na yan. Kumakain. Oh, you write it. Very good. Your answer is correct. Galing-galing naman ng baby na yan. Talaga naman. Kumakain. Dito. If it's not fit here. Siya here. It's fine, it's fine. Kumakain. O, this one here na. Here na. Siya. Dito na. Kumakain. Letter N. And then, siya. Siya.
Siya po.
Oh, yeah. Siya. Go. Ng
Oh, it looks like letter O.
only small letter, right? Because gulay, it's just it's a name but it's not a proper noun. Hindi siya pangalang pantangi. How do you spell gulay? Lay. Lay. Very good. Galing ah.
But this letter is wrong po.
Why? Ah, yes, because this one is a title, so it's fine. If it's a title of a story, it should be starting with a big letter, okay?
Okay.
Very good. Scarlett, look at me. How do you spell gulay?
G.
You start with the name first, with the word first.
Okay, pagulay.
Very good.
Gulay. Gulay.
Very good. How do you spell gardo?
Gardo.
Oh, now look at the book. Gardo.
Okay,
Go.
G.
Oh, you say the word first.
Gardo. G.
Okay.
R.
Okay, what's next?
D.
Okay.
O.
Very good.
Gardo.
Very good. Oh, you say bye-bye now to everyone because next is we're going to read English naman. Go. You say bye-bye now to everyone.
Bye everyone. If you like my reading, please like and subscribe. Bye. And this my name's Scarlett Video. When you see me on the video, just click me on your YouTube, guys. Unsubscribe. Bye.
Very good. Galing.